Okay, so today we're gonna do VLOOKUP, and over here we have these in this column I we have the name of people, uh, and in the corresponding column we have the countries they belong to. So, for example, we have a sample size of a very few number, I guess around 9 or 10 people, and their countries they belong to. But what if you had 1,000 people, and you want to take out 100 people over here. For example, first 100 people are, for example, 100 people that are relevant to your project, and you want to isolate them and to know that which country do they belong to. So over here I have Suhaib. I know Suhaib belongs to Pakistan. I can see look up right over here Pakistan, but I can't do that for 100 countries in a list of 1,000 countries. So for that we have a function called VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is a vertical lookup function that is going to look up the value for Suhaib in this column, and then it's going to pick up the corresponding country in front of Suhaib, for example Pakistan, and it's going to shift this Pakistan over here. So how it works is like this: we put VLOOKUP function. Oh, sorry. VLOOKUP, and now it's asking for a lookup value. So lookup value is Suhaib because we want to find Suhaib in this column in from our data. We want to find Suhaib, and then we want to find which country does Suhaib belong to. So our lookup value is Suhaib. That means the Excel is going to first find Suhaib, and then it's going to find the corresponding country. So we have selected the cell A3, which has our target name, that is Suhaib, comma, table array. Table array is the table in which we have all the information. There is all the data that is relevant to us. So for this purpose, our table is this, the area that I've selected, because it has the name and it has the country in front of it as well. So this is our table array from which it's going to look up the value of Suhaib and then the country he belongs to. So comma, we have selected our table array. Now it says column index number. So column index number is the number in which you have the value you want to find, the answer you want to find. Okay, I don't want to find Suhaib because I know Suhaib is already written over here. I want to find the country he belongs to. So my answer is in country column. It's in Pakistan. My answer is in Pakistan. So which column has my answer? This J column. This J column has my answer. So what is the column index number? So the first column is over here. We start left to right. First column is 1, and this is the second column. So we write 2 because the column number is second. And then we have this true false match. What do you want? That means do you want exact Suhaib, or do you want if it's a typo SOHAIB and another A maybe? So if it's a true match, then that means it's going to find something approximate. So for example, if there's a typo, it's still going to write Pakistan over here. But usually we do not want that. We want exact match because numbers are at times similar to each other, and the Excel could read it as a typo and then do an approximate match over there. So usually we use a false. So false means that it's going to exactly find Suhaib, and if it's exactly finding Suhaib, only then it's going to put Pakistan in this cell. So we have done this. Now we press enter, and over here we have Pakistan, and now we extend this over here. So we get all the countries these people belong to. You can cross check that, and just a thing over here we have table I3 to J11. You see the section in the red, that is the table, and that is the selected table. But what happens when you oh so what happens when you go down? Your table selection goes down. Why? Because you're extending the formula and it goes down. So what you want to do is you want to fix your table by putting up a dollar sign over here, and then before J and before 11. So what dollar sign does is it's going to fix your table. Now if I extend this and drag it down, so I'll see that my table now in the row 4 is the same table as it was selected in row 3. So this is how we use the dollar sign, and I hope you get this VLOOKUP thing.